How to use honey for weight loss. Honey is an effective ingredient for weight loss. Honey is such a thing, which is not only beneficial for health but also has a great taste. Those who are forbidden to eat sweet can also use honey. At the same time, if you finding ways to lose weight, honey may prove to be a better option. Here's why honey works well for weight loss. In this video we know how to consume honey for weight loss. You will also know how honey is beneficial for weight loss. Honey can prove beneficial in many ways. At the moment, we are presenting the benefits of honey for weight loss. Calorie. Honey is considered to be an excellent source of natural sugar, which does not harm your body. There are 305 calories in 100 grams of honey. Consuming it does not make you want to eat sweet for a long time. Also, it improves metabolism. This is why the honey helps you lose weight. For this, mix 1 spoon of honey in warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. You will start feeling the difference in a few days. In this way, you can use honey to lose weight. How to use honey to reduce obesity. There are many ways honey can be used to reduce obesity. For weight loss, consuming honey with hot water may be most beneficial. Know how it is made. Honey in hot water. Heat a glass of water as fast as you can drink it. Then add 1 spoon of honey to it and drink this water. Drink this water every morning on an empty stomach. If you want, you can also add half lemon juice. Honey with apples. You can dip apple slice into honey and consume them. By doing this, honey will also get benefits. And apple fiber and other nutrients will help you to lose weight. Decrease appetite. By consuming honey, your appetite is also controlled. It gives you energy, due to which one does not feel hungry for a long time. This is the reason why you start losing weight due to not eating much. Improve digestion. Honey also helps in improving your metabolism. It has antiseptic, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, which help to maintain digestive power by keeping your stomach fit. Detox the body. To reduce weight, consuming honey removes the toxins present in your body. It serves to detox your body and help to flush out toxic substances. Energy. As we said, honey gives you better calories. In such a situation, once you take honey, you feel full of energy for a long time. The body absorbs the glucose present in it quickly. By consuming it, you feel full of energy throughout the day, and you do not feel weakness. What should be the daily dose of honey to lose weight? How much honey should be consumed daily to reduce obesity depends on the age and physical condition of the person. Keep these things in mind. The amount of honey can be determined. However, most people consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey in a glass of water to lose weight. If you are still confused about the amount of the honey, then with the help of a dietitian, you can find out its quantity. Things to note. Even though honey is very beneficial, but the thing that has so many benefits can also have some disadvantages. Therefore, we are also telling you some important things before consuming honey. If you are a diabetic patient, then honey should be avoided. It contains carbohydrates, which can increase blood sugar. Even though honey benefits you, excessive intake of it can increase calories in the body, which can be harmful to you. Some may also have a problem with a stomach ache with honey.